Welcome to the new segment of the grade ninth. We are discussing the economics third chapter, poverty as a challenge. Yes. So previous classes we have discussed some important subtopics of this chapter. Today we are going to understand one small story. They are given along with this picture. Yes, the story of Sivaraman. So Sivaraman, he is the one person. They are given a imaginary story. He was a person who lived in a small village that is a Karur. It is in a Tamil Nadu, and Karur. It is very famous for the power loom and handloom fabrics. Yes, so around 100 families they are living in this place, and uh, so Sivaraman, as a cobbler, he is stitching shoes and chappals as per the his caste. But as per the situation, he is working in as a agriculture laborer. Yes. In new edition, they are given uh, 50 rupees per day about working as a agriculture laborer. In a old edition, they are printed rupees 160 per 160 rupees per day, and this is only for the 6 to 5 months he has to work as a agricultural labor. Along with him, his wife also is working as a same job. Uh, she also working. Her name they are given, that is a Sasikala, and it is a very difficult for to the run their life, and she is earning 100 rupees per day. In a old edition they are printed. In a new edition they are given as the 25 rupees per day she is earning. And his family the totally 8 members are there, and uh, Sivaraman, he is his his mother, she is around 65 years old woman, and she is not well. She is suffering from illness, and she is not able to do all her work. She is taking the help of girl child in his family, and he has a 25 year old unmarried sister and 4 children aged between 1 year to 16 year. Three of them are the girls. The youngest is a son. Okay. So, and he is not sending a girl child to the go to school. He is not afford the whatever fees or the whatever the needs are there of a girl child. He is thinking about that when they will come to for to the age of the marriage, the whatever the amount now he is spending on their education, he is keeping that amount for their marriage. And uh, and his mother his mother has lost interest in a life. She's waiting for to die someday. his el- his sister and elder daughters are taking care of all the household work, and Sivaraman plans to send his son to the only school. Yes, a boy, he is planning for to his son has to be go for to the school. And the Sasikala is finding her as a burden. The sister who is around the age of 25-year-old, who she is living with along with his brother, unmarried sister, that is she is feeling that she is a burden of a family. And Sivaraman has not finding any suitable groom to make due to of a lack of money. Yes. So when we see this family background, and one more important thing, it is the Sivaraman has giving the more importance for to the boy, that and his family is facing a lot of he is facing a lot of problem to make their fulfill the needs, because he is earning a less amount. That is also his daily wages he is earning, and along with his wife also is earning, but that amount it is not enough for to run their family. Okay, so today we have discussed a small story of which is there the given in your NCERT textbook, that is a story of Sivaraman. You can refer a textbook of ninth grade economics. Tomorrow we'll continue the some important topics of this same chapter. Thank you.